Response of multiplexer and demultiplexer. In this lab, first we will perform the multiplexer using multiplexer IC, that is IC number 74153, that is multiplexer IC. So we will use that multiplexer ICs to identify the outputs and inputs of the multiplexers and learn the connection of this. So this is the circuit diagram of this IC. This is the pin configuration in which this IC has built-in two multiplexer 4 into 1. 4 multiplexer. 4 into 1 means there are 4 inputs. If there are 4 inputs like this one is I0, I1, I2 and I3. These are the 4 inputs. So if a multiplexer has 4 inputs, it will have two selection lines or two selection switches, that is S0 and S1. As I said, this is a built-in two multiplexer in one IC. So you can see here the output. There are two inputs, 4 here, 4 this side. So these are the two selection switches, and selection switches for two multiplexers are the same, S0 and S1. These can be used for the both multiplexer. And this is the output of one multiplexer. Multiplexer A has output YA and multiplexer B has output YB. Pin number 8 is grounded and pin number 16 is turned to the VCC. So this is the enable input for multiplexer A, enable input of multiplexer B. You can use either the multiplexer A or multiplexer B for your experiment, but be sure that both multiplexer in this IC have same switches. S0 and S1 can be used for both multiplexer because this IC has two multiplexer which are identical. These are 4 into 1 mux. So this is the truth table of very common you have learned in the theoretical course, and you can, I think you can have idea by implementing on the software as well. For a two selection line, there will be 4 combination or depending upon the inputs. This is the enable. Either you can turn to 0 or turn to 1 if you are working on the positive or negative logic depending upon your choice. So if you input the multiplexer 0, so you have to select 0 0 by selection lines to make this 0 happens from input to the output. So output is just 1. Output will show whatever you write in the inputs, and you select these input by your selection line. If you put like 1 in I2, so this is a binary combination of 4, so you have to like this. If it's 3, sorry, it's 2, it's 3, 1 1 is 3, so I3 will be 1. If there is an input at I3, you have to make the combination of by selection line 3. If the input is on 2, so you have to check the binary combination of selection lines 2. So let's have some hardware parts. So this is the IC we were talking about. This is the multiplexer IC. It has 4 multiplexers. The VCC is connected by the black wire to the 16 pins, and the white is the grounded. These are the selection switches. Switch number I think 8, 7, 6 and 5. These are the 4 input line which are connected to the switches as well. So this line, these are the selection switches. Switch number 1, switch number 2 are the selection switches. These two are, and 1 is output. Output is connected to the LED number G. This one is the output of the multiplexer. So let's start. First we will connect into the 0, like let me check. It's on 2. I select the input. Now I have provided the input to the multiplexer. All the other switches are at 0. So this one is 2. So I have to select the 2 from the selection line. So I will make it like, so this is 2, right? 0 1. If I turn to switch 0 0, that input will be not shown because 0 0 is selected. If 0 0 is selected, so you have to move the switches to the 0. So let me choose this to the 0 here. Now the input is 0. All the other switches are 0, but the first input which is on the 0 input line is selected, and here is 0 on the selection switches. So it's showing the LEDs. So if I turn it to off, it will turn off. Now I will select to the LED number SW8. This belongs to the I3 here. Look at the truth table. Now I place the 1 here. 1 0 0 0. So I have to select these two selection lines in the switches. So let me select two switches. So this multiplexer is converting the input by selecting switch to output as well. So the output is glowing LED. Glowing LED is indicating that the output is writing input by the selection switching process. So that is the multiplexer circuits. You can verify these circuits on the software as well. So thank you so much. Now in this next video we will discuss about the demultiplexer circuits. Almost same, but a little difference will be in the circuit. So this is the IC number for the demultiplexer, that is IC 74139. It has two demultiplexer as well. Multiplexer Dmux is A, Dmux is B. Selection switch will be same for both of the ICs. So let's wait a little bit so that we can connect this on a trainer board, and then we will verify the demultiplexer. So thank you so much. So students, this is the demultiplexer IC, that is 74139. So we are using the demultiplexer in this IC. The connections are the same. Pin number 8 is grounded, pin number 16 is VCC. Selection switches have different selection switches, and these are the four outputs. So I have connected this in the circuits. These are the four outputs, A, B, C and D, and these are the two selection switches, S1 and S2, and these are the connection of the ICs. So let's start. At the beginning it's enabled 0 and all the switches at the 0. So it must be turned on. All the LEDs are on. So you verify this in the circuits. When its enable is 1, select whatever the selection switching state is, all the outputs will be 1 1 1 1 1. So if we make the enable switch is 0, that will be the last output 0 will be 0, and all the outputs will be 1. So let's move, switch off the circuits, and then make the switches happen. So I have turned on the circuit again, and these are the switches at the 0 position. This is the enable, so make it enable. Okay. So look at this. This A, B, C are on, and D output is off. So you can verify this by the truth table. When the enable is 0, I am working on the negative logic as well, so that's why I make it 1. So when S1 is 0 0, Y3, Y2, Y1 and Y0 is equal to 0, and all other outputs will be 1 1 1. So now we will check about this when the selection switches are 1 1 and enable is 0. So let's move to the circuits again, make it switch off. So let's this circuit on again. So this one is selection switches are at 0 0 position, so make it 1 1 1. So look at this. This is the B, C and D. So multiplexer is demultiplexer is working perfectly, because now at this time LED number or output number A is 0, all the three